Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 1 on Garena. First, you will need to download and install the Garena client, which is a free gaming platform. Once installed, create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so make sure you are connected before proceeding. This initial setup is quick and easy, taking only a few minutes to complete. Next, you'll need to prepare your Warcraft 3 installation. Install both Warcraft 3, Reign of Chaos, and its expansion, the Frozen Throne. After that, download the most recent Dota All-Stars map. You can find these maps on various community websites. Once downloaded, copy and paste the map file directly into your Warcraft 3 maps folder, usually found within a download subfolder, to ensure the game can locate it. With Warcraft 3 and the Dota map ready, open your Garena client. Head to the Warcraft 3 RPG section, which is where Dota games are hosted. Choose a region that offers the best ping for you, then browse the available rooms. Look for a Dota room that isn't full, often indicated by numbers like 195 out of 235. Join the room and patiently await the host to start the game. Once in the Garena room, click the Start Game button to launch Warcraft 3. Inside Warcraft 3, navigate to the local area network section, where you will see the hosted game. Join it, select your hero, and choose your team. Remember, Dota 1 is a team-based strategy game where the ultimate objective is to destroy the opposing team's ancient. Work with your 4 teammates, strategize, and enjoy the classic gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.